money mirrors history. The Jamaican currency evolves from Spanish silver to British imperial sterling, and finally to a completely sovereign decimalized dollar. We examine the numismatic structural changes that define Jamaica's identity. The earliest money in Jamaica relied on Spanish copper maravedis and silver pieces of 8. Global trading routes utilized these coins for nearly 400 years. Latin American revolutionary wars later cut off the silver supply. The United Kingdom adopted the gold standard in 1821. An 1825 Imperial Order in Council introduced British sterling coinage to the colonies. The official exchange rate of $1 to 4 shillings and 4 pence sterling misrepresented the actual silver value compared to gold, and the British sterling coins vanished from circulation. Parliament introduced remedial legislation in 1838, shifting the official rating to a realistic $1 equals 4 shillings 2 pence. Jamaicans treated 1 British shilling as exactly 1/4 of a dollar, a tradition known as macaroni, which was later institutionalized by the Bank of Nova Scotia. The 1838 emancipation of slaves created a massive demand for low-denomination coinage. The black population rejected copper coins for church offerings. Authorities introduced silver 3 pence and 3 half-pence coins, with the silver 1.5 pence coins locally named Christian quatties. The population's rejection of copper required a new metallurgical solution. Jamaica adopted cupronickel in 1869, producing pennies and half-pennies specifically for Jamaican use, permanently replacing foreign silver. The government produced the first authorized banknotes in 1904, initially denominated as 10 shillings. The Bank of Jamaica gained the sole right to mint coins and produce notes in October 1960, releasing proprietary notes on May 1, 1961. The Jamaican House of Representatives voted to decimalize the currency on January 30, 1968. This new base $10 system replaced the complex Jamaican pound. The physical changeover occurred on September 8, 1969. Jamaica built the new dollar as a half-pound unit, aligning its value closer to the US dollar. The structural shift replaced the pound's 20 shillings and 240 pence with 100 cents, and shifted visual motifs from British monarchs to Jamaican flora and fauna. The mint explored complex physical shapes to distinguish denominations. The 1-cent coin became a dodecagon, the 50-cent coin a decagon, and the $10 coin adopted a scalloped edge. The Jamaican coat of arms anchors the reverse of every coin. The Jamaican dollar has significantly lost purchasing power over time. This forced low-denomination paper notes out of circulation. The mint systematically replaced the $1, $5, $10, and $20 banknotes with durable metallic coins throughout the 1990s. Modern banknotes celebrate sovereign Jamaican identity and national heroes. The $500 note honors the right excellent nanny of the Maroons. The $1,000 note bears the portrait of Michael Norman Manley, alongside the endemic Jamaican swallowtail butterfly. Traditional pure cotton banknotes degrade rapidly in the humid tropical climate. To combat this, the Bank of Jamaica introduced a hybrid material for the $100 note in 2014, with a protected polyester film layer over a cotton fiber core. The bank introduced the high-value $5,000 note in 2009, featuring Hugh Lawson's shearer and a unique optic security thread. The bank also released Golden Jubilee commemorative notes in 2012 and a new $2,000 denomination in 2022. The Jamaican dollar is an artifact of cultural independence. It transitioned from a reliant hub for Spanish trade silver to a fully sovereign decimalized nation. The physical money adapts to reflect the identity, climate, and economic realities of the Jamaican people.